Lovely. And then if you're moving through a flow, let's bring the hips down to the ground. If you're on the block, let's gently remove it. Come all the way back down. Open the knees wide, soles of the feet come together, and hands rest gently on the belly for a reclined cobbler's pose or Supta Baddha Konasana. Take 3 breaths here, full yogic breaths. And then slowly exhale, make your way to the bottom. And then give it a couple rounds, moving slowly, mindfully with your breath. If you're able to bring a block underneath the hips, the sacrum, the jaw relaxes. The throat. Area here. Keep a mindfulness through all 4 corners of the feet. And listen to your breath. Everyone, relax the skin of your face, in particular the brow.